What's up guys, Intelitech Studios here, and I was planning on doing a vacuum save video today, but I decided to put that off until tomorrow. So the plan is, don't quote me on this because sometimes things change, I plan on doing another vacuum save video tomorrow. That's the plan. We'll see what happens, but that's the plan. Anyways, today will be an unboxing of a air purifier that I got because I repair vacuums in my room. I have one room in this house, and I fix my vacuums in the same room that I sleep in. It's also the same room where I run a lot of electronics, like game consoles, my desktop computer, things like that. So dust filtration is very important because there's a lot of dust that's flying around in this room, and of course with the virus and with obviously my already not very good lungs and already pretty bad breathing, I decided that a air purifier would likely be a good investment. So I went to Walmart, specifically a Walmart that's not necessarily the closest one to me, but it was one that I happened to be at. And this was actually on the same trip where I picked up the DC-18. And there was one guy, I forgot his name, but he was very, very helpful with helping me pick out a nice air purifier. And he did subscribe to this channel. So, dude, I hope you're watching this, and if you are, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this air purifier is nice. So this is a Filtrete air purifier. I don't know much about it. I'm not an expert on air purifiers, but it seems to be okay. This is a small room air purifier. It's designed for 110 square feet. I don't know what that means, but hopefully it'll be good enough for this room. And I still don't quite know where to put it. This is the model FAP-C01 F1, and it's I don't know what else to say. I'm not really an expert on these, so I guess we'll just open this up. This is probably going to be really boring, but I've been trying to figure out what type of air purifier to buy, and anyone who's an expert on air purifiers, please let me know, like, what any tips regarding this thing that I should know. Like, is there an ideal place to put it? Obviously, keep the filters maintained, just like a vacuum cleaner. This uses an F1 filter, and my Dirt Devil Breeze also uses an F1 filter, I believe. Yes, because the F2 filters is the Dynamite, I think. So my Dirt Devil Breeze uses F1 filters, I'm pretty sure. And this also uses filter style. Can you see that? This also uses F1 style filters. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, this uses F1 style filters. So that's kind of cool. Obviously it's not the same filter, but it uses F1 style filters, which I thought was funny. So, I just block that? So there's an arrow, probably telling you that's the front of it. Here's a piece of cardboard. That smells good. I love the smell of new products. I probably could have bought a used one, but I looked at my local marketplace and I didn't see one for sale. So, is that it? It's just the purifier. There's no instructions or anything. That's the other side of the box. There's some foam to keep it safe and comfortable. Okay, there is a manual. And obviously it has the usual warnings. Don't suffocate your kid with this. Frankly, if you have to tell people to do that, they frankly shouldn't have children. It wouldn't be an Intelitech Studios just video without me pissing someone off, right? Alright. Nice new plastic. You like my makeshift mask? Alright. So, I believe this is this the front of it? This is the front of it. No? Yes, this is the front of it. Okay. Is that the front of it? Yes, that's the front of it, I think. What does the manual say? Filtrete. Let's see. Filtrete Room Air Purifier. Air Purifier Model Series FAP-C01. and FAP-C02. I believe this is the FAP-C01 model. So this is the first one, FAP-C01. Let's see. Oh, this issue date is March 2018. I wonder if that's when this was manufactured. That's probably just the copyright for this. Anyways, do I just plug this in, or I mean, I'm assuming, do I just plug this in just like a fan? I think the filter. Oh yeah, that's the front of it. It's Energy Star certified, which is good. You probably can't see that. Come on. There we go. So this is Energy Star certified. Not that that really makes a difference. And then I believe you take this back panel off. No, this doesn't. Is that a handle? I thought that was a lever. That's a handle. Okay. So how do I... Okay, so there's two little clamps on this side. So I think I probably should read the instructions. Oh, I see. There's two pieces of tape here. I'm assuming this has a filter pre-installed. Let me look at the instructions and see. Thank you for purchasing a Filtrete room air purifier from 3M. This Filtrete room air purifier comes complete with the latest advances in filtration technology and a stylish design. We hope you will enjoy your new Filtrete room air purifier and the improved indoor air quality it provides. Well, that sounds wonderful. I hope that's the case. See, originally I was going to purchase the Febreze air purifier that was $60. This one was $10.01 cheaper, so I decided to do this. And plus, according to the wonderful guy who helped me at Walmart, I couldn't put filters in here that have scents similar to a Febreze if I wanted to. And obviously Filtrete is a much better brand than whatever Febreze is. At least it's more well known. It has more of a track record to it. Because Filtrete has been around forever. And they're, from what I understand, they're a pretty decent brand. I also saw a Honeywell air purifier that I was considering, but it was over $200 and I didn't want to spend that much. And it was probably pretty overkill for what I need anyways. I would imagine, because of the amount of dust that would be in this room, I probably have to replace the filters more often, but I'm sure this thing should handle it just fine. I mean, isn't this thing basically just like a super low-end placeholder vacuum cleaner? Because it just sucks in all the air, only it doesn't do it off the floors, it does it through the air. Isn't it kind of like the same sort of principle? I'd imagine so. I'm just ranting at this point because I know nothing about this stuff. I just bought this randomly, and hopefully it works. Which, this is actually kind of nice because I'm not an expert in air purifiers, and so it's kind of like, hey, I get to review something from the perspective of your average consumer that doesn't know anything about this. Because I know nothing about this. So hopefully that'll make the review more interesting. And, you know, because if it's more interesting, then it might be more fun to watch. So, I guess I'll plug this in real quick. Alright, the air purifier is plugged in. Another thing that's nice is if you're looking for a free outlet plug cover and a free twist tie, you get that with this. So that's like a 30-cent value right there. So it's already a really good deal. And yeah, let's turn this on. So there's 3 settings. Oh, it's doing something. I mean, it's on. And there's 3 settings. Alright, well, it works. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Running out of space.